This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make money. We'll cover straightforward methods to boost your income. First, consider diversifying your earnings by exploring multiple income streams. Online opportunities offer incredible flexibility and a wide reach, allowing you to work from anywhere. You can also leverage your existing skills to provide valuable services. Remember, starting small and gradually scaling up your efforts is a smart approach to financial growth. Many online avenues exist for earning money. Freelancing platforms, for instance, connect you with clients globally, offering diverse projects. Content creation, such as blogging or making videos, can generate income through advertising or sponsorships. For quicker, smaller payments, consider online surveys or microtasks. Additionally, e-commerce provides a direct way to sell products to customers, potentially reaching thousands of buyers with minimal overhead. Your unique skills are valuable assets for earning. You could offer consulting or coaching in your area of expertise, helping others achieve their goals. Teaching online courses or workshops is another excellent way to share your knowledge and generate income. Services like writing, graphic design, or programming are always in demand. Even crafting or repairing items can become a profitable venture, reaching hundreds of potential customers. To sustain and grow your earnings, strategic management is key. Reinvesting a portion of your profits back into your ventures can fuel expansion and increase future returns. Continuously learning new skills will enhance your market value, potentially leading to higher-paying opportunities. Networking with other professionals can open doors to new collaborations and projects. Finally, diligently tracking your income and expenses ensures effective financial management, helping you reach your financial goals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.